In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos and videos on Facebook. Alright, so I'm on Facebook here, and the first thing I'm going to do is head over to my profile. I'll just click on my profile icon, and once that loads up, I'm looking at my main profile page where all my posts and activity are visible. From here, I need to get into the settings area, so I'm going to click on settings and privacy. You'll usually find that in a menu when you click your profile or the menu icon, depending on what device you're using. Once that opens, I'll go ahead and select it so the additional options appear. Now that I'm inside settings and privacy, I'm going to look for something called your activity. I'll click on that. And this section is basically where Facebook keeps track of everything you've done on your account. So I'll open that up. And then inside here, I'll click on your Facebook activity to get the full activity log. At this point, I'm scrolling down through the activity options and I'm looking for something labeled trash. This is where deleted content is temporarily stored before it's permanently removed. So once I find trash, I'll go ahead and click on it. Now the trash section is open and I can see items that I've previously deleted, including photos or videos if they're still within the recovery window. I'm going to scroll through the list until I find the photo or video that I want to recover. It might take a moment if there are multiple items here, so just take your time and locate the right one. Once I find the specific photo or video, I'll go ahead and click on the three dots next to that item. That menu gives a few different options, and from there I'll select the option that says restore to profile. As soon as I click that, Facebook will start the process of bringing that photo or video back. At this point, the item should be restored and moved back to your profile or original location where it was posted. It might take a moment to reflect, so if you don't immediately see it, just give it a quick refresh or check your profile again. And that's really all there is to it. You've now gone through the process of recovering a deleted photo or video using the trash section inside your Facebook activity.